Hello, this screencast will show you how to download GPower for your computer. As you learned on the Module 0 what you need to complete this class, there is some technology that you need, and one of those items is this GPower software. So if you are on this particular page, I actually provide two separate links, one for Windows directly and then one for Mac. I'll go through. If you just click the download for Windows, you'll go here. Very obvious, just click download now. And a download is starting on my computer, you can see down here. And so this zip folder will download. When it downloads, simply click on it, open the file on your computer, and click GPower Setup in here. I'm not going to click it because I've already got it on my computer, but pretty simple. I also want to show you what happens if you go back to Canvas and click the link for the GPower for Mac. On many other pages where I link to the download, if you didn't download from this page, it'll actually just simplify and link both through here. So if you click this link, you'll be taken to this page. And now we have a lot of writing. It's an interesting page because it just does talk a little bit about GPower, what it is. It gives you some screenshots. You could visit this page if you wanted more information about how to use it. You don't need to register. If you ever do need help, you could download the manual. I think pretty much everything you'll need. GPower 4, though, we'll cover in class. I've got screencasts that'll walk you through it. But this is a resource if you ever need it. Keep scrolling down, though, and then you'll get to this section that says Download GPower for Windows or Download GPower for Mac. Pick the one that you need. I'm a Windows person. And you will notice that the identical zip file got downloaded to my computer again. I'll click it to show you what happens. It's the same file folder. Open it up and click not installation, but the installer package called GPower Setup. If you have any trouble, just shoot me a message and I will help you out. Thanks.